Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are dealing with the equation that is x to the 4 plus 200 x square plus 20 x cube upon x square plus 10 whole square is equal to 800. We have to find the value of x. This is very interesting question. You can enjoy it if you are a mathematician, then you will enjoy it. It is very typical questions and it is the questions generally asked in Olympiad maths. It's a very good, interesting question. Now we are going to solve it. It is not too easy to solve this. Now, let us suppose this can be taken x to the power 4 plus in between we can take 20 into x square as common. So that it will be equal to 10 plus x. Okay? Upon x plus 10 whole square is equal to 800. Correct? Okay. Now if it can be written as x to the power 4 upon x plus 10 whole square plus 20 x square upon x plus 10. Simple. Because this x plus 10 and 1 power of x plus 10 gone in denominator. Okay. Now this is now, let us suppose, is equal to 800. Let this is x square upon x plus 10. It is x to the 4 into x plus 10 whole square. So it can be written as x square upon x plus 10 whole square plus 20 into x square upon x plus 10. Now this is to be, let us suppose that x square upon x plus 10, this is equal to p. If it is p, then we can write it as p square. Okay, plus 20 times p equal to, it was 800, equal to 800. Now it means now this is the equation in terms of quadratic equation in terms of p, and we can find the value of p, and hence the value of x can also be obtained by knowing the value of p. Now this is p square plus 20 times p minus 800 is equal to 0. Now 800 can be written as p square minus 800 can be 40p minus 20p. 800 is equal to 0, or p for p can be taken as a common, so p plus 40 minus 20 can be taken as a common, p plus 40, and hence the factors are p plus 40 and p minus 20 is equal to 0. These, from here we are having two values. Either p is equal to minus 40, and second case, this is case first, and case second, p is equal to 20. These are the two cases, and after obtaining the value of p, we can find the value of x. Now we are going to deal with first case. Okay, this is to be rough. Okay, case first. Don't leave my video in between. It is very interesting questions, and those who are maths lover, they will definitely enjoy this question. Okay, case first. Case first. When p was equal to minus 40, this is. It means x square upon x plus 10 was considered as p, so that this is equal to minus 40. Or we can say x square is equal to minus 40 times x minus 400. Or this is again a quadratic equation in terms of x is equal to 0. From here we will get two values of x. Okay, this is 400 and this is 40, and 20 into 20 is equal to 400, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So that it can be less than x square plus 20x plus 20x plus 400. Okay, is equal to 0. Or now again we can take the common x, and hence we get x plus 20 and plus 20 can be taken as a common. Again we'll get x plus 20. It means x plus 20 whole square is the x plus 20 is the factor, and hence x will be equal to minus 20. Now first value x is equal to minus 20. And second value is also minus 20 because this is a power, so the two values of x both are minus 20. Now again, case second. This is the case second. In case second where x is equal to 20 or p is equal to 20. Same. Case second we are going to deal with the same value in which p is equal to 20. This is the case second. This is case second when p is equal to what? This was 20. In that case, we have to put the value of which was x square upon x plus 10. This is equal to 20. Then hence again we will get the new quadratic equation in terms of x square is equal to 20 times x plus 20 into 10. Or we can say x square minus 20 times x minus 200 is equal to 0. The factorization of this equation is not easy, so that we will use the formula minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4 times ac upon 2 times a. The value of x can be obtained from this equation. Comparing this, we will see here b is equal to minus 20, a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, and c is equal to minus 200. These are the value. Putting these value, we will get two value. X will be equal to what? Minus b. It means plus 20 upon b square. B square is equal to minus b plus minus b square root under root. That is 400. Minus 4 times AC. 4 into A into C. That is minus minus plus 4 into 200. Upon 2 times A. 2 into 1. X is A is equal to 1. Putting these value you will get plus 40. This is plus minus. Plus minus 800 plus 400, 1200. Root of 1200 upon 2. Root of 1200 is equal to minus b. Sorry, this is minus b. 20 now. Sorry, sir. It was 20. Minus, it was 20. Very sorry. In place of b, we have put in 4. 40. It was in the place of b, we have to simply put minus 20. Minus 20 plus 1 become 20. Okay. Now, 1200. Root of 1200 can be written as 400 into 3. 400, 4 3 are 30. 400 into 3. 3 will be inside the root here, so that 4 will be come out, and it will be equal to 20 plus 20 root 3 upon 2 plus minus, and hence the value of this will be 10 plus 10 root 3. The value of root 3 you can put 1.732. If you are going this plus minus, then we will get two values. One is with plus x. This is equal to with plus sign 10 plus 10 root 3. Okay, that is equal to 10 plus 1.732 to 10, meaning 7.32. That is 27.32. Another will be of negative, that is third value will be with negative sign. This is two values are these, and another one with negative sign will be equal to 10 minus 17.32, that is minus 7.32. Answer. These are the four values of x. x is equal to 20 minus 20 minus 20 and 27.32 and minus 7.32. These are the answers. Thanks for watching my video from beginning to last, and please don't forget to like and subscribe me. Be continuously watch my videos. Several number of questions are there related with these equations also, and different topics are also there, especially for those who are going to attend the competitions and those who are going to attend the board examinations of class 10th and 11 2. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.